performing the product sum. Okay, you multiply and then you add operation. So let's see how that's going to be done. So let's carry down our question or problem. We want to multiply those two matrices. Put a comma there. So we already know our answer. So let's put a therefore there. Therefore, our answer is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, or 2 by 3. Because matrix 1 has 2 rows, 1, 2. Matrix 2 has 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So it's a 2 by 3. Okay, we're going to get a 2 by 3. So let's empty this. First to put our product sum. So in each square you see, we're going to put a product sum. We have to get 6 elements in our result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to find each one of them, we have to do a product sum. Multiply and add. So 3 is the first element in the row of matrix 1. 3. Okay. 3 times. So 3 has to correspond to 2 because 2 is the first element in the column of matrix 2. And then here comes the sum. Product sum plus 8 now is the second element in the row of matrix 1 times 4, which is the second element in the column of matrix 2. So product sum. We're on the first row, so we have to go back to 3 and 8. But we're in the second column, so we have to use 6 and 3. So it's the same 3 times the 6, because 6 is the first element in the column of matrix 2, plus the 8. The 8 is the second element, times the 3. The 3 is the second element in the column. Second element in row, second element in column. Second element in row corresponds to second element in column. We're on the first row still, so we have to continue that same row, the 3 and 8, with the third column. 3 is the first in the row, 1 is the first in the column. So it's 3 times 1 plus 8 is the second element in the row, which corresponds to 0 in the second element in the column. Okay, so just to make this look a little tidy, snip this. Right. Okay. So here for now, we're going to the second row now, which is the 1 and the 2. So we're going to repeat that same process with 1 and 2. Okay. So it's not 3 and 8 anymore, it's 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 with 2 and 4. 1 and 2 with 2 and 4. 1 and 2 with 2 and 4. Okay. It's not 3 and 8 anymore, it's 1 and 2. 1 and 2 with 6 and 3. 1 to 6, 2 to 3. 1 times 6 plus 2 times 3. And copy this, paste this there. So, all right, let's undo, paste this here. So it's 1 and 2 with 1 and 0. 1 times 1, 2 times 0. Okay. And then we simplify to get our final answer. 3 2 is a 6. 8 fours, 22, 28, but just to verify, and use your calculator. Oh, and the good thing about this, you can just copy this because I think they are compatible with this calculator, and just paste this there in this calculator. Right, here it is. Right, 3 times 2 plus 8 times 4, and enter. Right, 48. Copy this because the equation in Word is compatible with Microsoft Calculator. Same company. Paste. 42. Okay. 3 times 6, 18, and 8 3 is 24. Copy. I can just cut, paste, enter, put a 3 here. So this is a 1 times 2 is 2, 2 4 is 8, so that's supposed to be 10. But just to verify, here we go. 10. This one is another easy peasy. 6 and 6, that really was 12. 1 by 6 is 6, 2 3 plus 6 plus 6 is 12. And 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, because 2 times 0 is 0. One times 1 is 1. So here you have it, multiplication of matrices. Okay, so just watch this video and watch it by practicing. Okay, determine if multiplication is possible. Count the number of elements in the row of the first, 1, 2. Count the number of elements in the column of the second, 1, 2, because you are going to multiply a row by column. So if you have 2 elements in the row of matrix 1, you must have 2 elements in the row of matrix 2 for it to correspond first to first, second to second. You cannot have 2 elements and then 3 elements in the column, okay? Or 3 elements in the row of the first and then 4 elements in the column, okay? It will not, there will not be correspondence with the number of elements in the row and the number of elements in the column, okay? Because that's how you're going to multiply the first times the first plus the second times the second. If there was a third, plus the third times the third, okay, and so forth. All right, and to determine the size, then you count the number of rows. You see the first matrix always controlling the rows and the second matrix controlling the columns. So 2 rows in the first, 3 columns in the second, so it's a 2 by 3. And here we have it.